start dah. Haji. Okay.
Okay, Assalamualaikum and very good evening to our lecturer, Puan Nur Fahimah binti Saidin and our fellow classmate. Today, our group going to present case study 1. Firstly, my name is Muhammad Saif Ali bin Muhammad Saudi.
My name is Azim Aiman bin Sabri.
And my name is Ahmad Fuad bin Muhammad Jailami. So we will present about case study 1.
Okay, next for introduction. Okay, introduction. Cloud computing is the practice of using a network of remote server hosted on the internet to store, manage and process data rather than a local server or a personal computer. Okay, next. Next, question 1. Saya akan baca jawapan terus. Cloud computing, maksud cloud computing ialah cloud computing secara general dia ialah apa-apa sahaja yang melibatkan melibatkan penghantaran host service over the internet. Servis ini terbagi kepada 3 kategori iaitu infrastructure as a service IaaS, platform as a service PaaS dan software as a service SaaS. Untuk example cloud computing ialah Google Docs, Microsoft Office 365, email, kalender, Skype dan WhatsApp. Okay.
What the?
Benefit cloud computing, cost saving. Cost saving sebabkan kita yang perlu membayar ikut jam sahaja. Jadi dia dapat jimatkan wang daripada kita menggunakan sampai habis. Security cloud computing menggunakan encryption, di mana encryption ni akan memberikan accessible dengan kurang accessible kepada hacker ataupun sesiapa sahaja yang tidak dibenarkan, yang tidak diautorisasi untuk melihat data kita. Sebagai tambahan, security measure juga akan security measure akan boleh ditukar oleh pengguna user yang ditukar oleh user yang mempunyai data untuk tukar security dia untuk bagi sesiapa saja tak boleh tengok. Okay, next. Benefit of flexibility. Cloud offer business more flexibility overall versus hosting on a local server. Jika kita perlukan bandwidth yang lebih, cloud-based service can meet the demand instantly rather than daripada lalui kompleks dan service yang expensive update to our IT infrastructure. Mobility, sekarang cloud computing kebanyakannya dah available dalam telefon bimbit, jadi kita boleh gunakan cloud computing di mana saja asalkan kita mempunyai internet ataupun data. Disaster recovery, cloud-based service provide quick data recovery for all kind of emergency scenario, from a natural disaster to power outage. While 20% of cloud users claim disaster recovery in 4 hours or less, only 9% of non-cloud users could claim the same. Okay, next. Okay, virtualization. Virtualization ialah creating a virtual version of something such as a server, a desktop, server storage device and operating system network resource. Dalam kata lain, virtualization ialah teknik yang akan membenarkan kita berkongsi satu physical instance of a resource or an application among a multiple customer or organization. Okay, next. Saif. Saif, kau mute.
Sorry. Okay, next question. What is the benefit of virtualization in cloud environment? Okay, the first one is security. The second benefit is flexible operation. The next, economical. Next one is eliminates the risk of system failure. And the last one is flexible transfer of data. Next. Okay. Question number 5. Describe the following design concept of Amazon Web Service infrastructure to support cloud computing. Okay, the first one is AWS Global Infrastructure. The AWS Global Infrastructure consists of multiple geographical locations which are called regions, iaitu kawasan. AWS kawasan ni dia dibagi kepada dua, iaitu availability zones which consists of one or more physically separated data center. Okay, kawasan ini dan juga this region and availability zone provide a way to build high available, fault tolerant and scalable infrastructures. Okay, all availability zone ataupun AZS are connected through low latency, high throughput and highly redundant networking. AZS are physically separated by an unknown minimum distance to ensure availability of the network even in the event of catastrophic event like extreme weather. So boleh katakan yang AZS ni dia dibina untuk dapat tahan daripada benda yang tidak diingini lah, perkara yang tidak diingini seperti cuaca ekstrim macam banjir ke ribu taufan macam tu. Okay, sehingga April 2020 AWS ni dia merangkumi 70 zone availability di 22 kawasan di seluruh dunia. Next. Foundation service. When educators nominated to teach, they are enrolled in AWS Academic Cloud Foundations and AWS Academic Machine Learning Foundation as student for self-study and preparation. Apabila pendidik tu dia telah terpilih, mereka akan jadi student untuk self-study dan juga buat persediaan terlebih dahulu. AWS Academic Foundation level educators can teach AWS Academic Cloud Foundation and AWS Academic Machine Learning Foundation course. Okay. So yang kita faham, AWS Academic Foundation ni dia boleh level educators ni dia boleh ajar kepada level akademik lain, iaitu Cloud Foundation dan juga Machine Learning Foundation. Okay, the next one, access to AWS Academic Learning Lab is foundation service. Yang pilihan dia, AWS Academic Foundation level educators can request a voucher to take an AWS certification exam, peperiksaan perakuan AWS. Next. Okay, the last one is platform service. Platform as a service remove the need for organization to move the underlying infrastructures, usually hardware and operating system, and allow you to focus on the deployment and management of your application. Jadi ini dapat bantu untuk jadi lebih cekap dan tak perlu risau tentang pemberian sumber. Sumber perancangan kapasiti dan juga penyelenggaraan perisian, fetching or any of the undifferentiated heavy lifting involved in running your application. So dia tidak melibatkan mengangkat benda-benda macam yang heavy lah. Okay.
Yes. Next, we'll explain about root user and IAM credential di Amazon Web Service. So first, root user credential. The credential of the account owner allow full access to all resource in the account. You cannot use IAM policies to explicitly deny the root user access to resources. There are specific tasks that are restricted to the AWS account root user. For example, only the root user can close your account. So means hanya root user saja yang boleh tutup account. If you need to perform a task that require the root user, sign in to the AWS management console using the email address and password of the root user. For the information, see task that require root user credential. So seringkasnya root user mempunyai kuasa untuk penuh untuk semua sumber akaun lah. So pengguna root user yang boleh tutup akaun. Sebenarnya IAM credential. With IAM credential, you can securely access to AWS service and resource for user in your AWS account. For example, if you require administrator level permission, so jika IAM dapat administrator level, dia boleh create, and so macam user dia boleh create an user, candidate user full access, so dapat full access and then use the candidate to interact with AWS. If you need modify or revoke your permission, you can delete or modify the policies that are associated with that IAM user. If you have multiple users that require access to your AWS account, you can create unique candidate for each user and define who has access to which resource. You don't need to share credential. For example, you can create IAM user with only access to resource in your AWS account and distributed those credential to user. So pengguna IAM user itu identity access management ini ibarat pembantu pada root user lah. So jika root user mempunyai banyak pengguna, so bolehlah cipta IAM user ni untuk menguruskan AWS. Contohnya macam mana nak create, how to perform creation of user and IAM credential in AWS. Macam mana nak create root user dengan IAM. So first, root user credential. So first untuk create, kena create new AWS account. Second, enter the necessary information, that the information, address, password. Then siapkan dia punya tempat, detail. Masukkan kod, dia boleh connect dengan handphone dengan Gmail. Macam ni, get verify code, dapat kod daripada mobile phone yang kita letak. Seterusnya set up for AWS. So kita pilih support plan lah. So pilih support plan free. Tapi bukan free pun, dia berbayar juga, RM8. So seterusnya root user berjaya di create. Seterusnya ini site kita nak sign in lepas kita buat. So sign in dekat root user. So kena masukkan dia punya karakter. Lepas tu masukkan password yang kita buat. Sebenarnya ni root user yang siap. Okay, ni IAM kita buat, IAM nya user pula. First click user and add user to create IAM user. So create add user dekat bahagian IAM. Terusnya put username macam username Azim. Select AWS access type. Kita pilih access type untuk kita mahukan untuk dia. Sebenarnya set permission apa yang kita nak bagi role kat dia. Macam kita bagi role untuk bagi administrator access je. Sebenarnya review user detail, review yang kita bagikan, tekan create user. Sebenarnya IAM user successful create. So sebenarnya kita sign in lah untuk ke IAM user. punya ID, kita copy. Then sign in to IAM user, ID dia, username dengan password. So lepas kita sign in, dapatlah masuk ke account IAM user account.
Okay, conclusion.
Save.
Okay, conclusion. Secara kesimpulannya, cloud computing ni dia sebenarnya new technology yang baru recently new technology yang baru di develop. That has the potential to have a great impact on the world. Okay, dan ada banyak kebaikan that it provide to IT user and business. So dia lebih kepada pengguna-pengguna IT dan juga usahawan lah. For example, some of the benefit that IT provides to businesses is that it reduces operating costs by spending less on maintenance and software upgrades and focus more on the business itself. Okay, tapi dia juga ada cabaran seperti cloud computing must overcome. So people are very skeptical about whether the data is secure and private. Seperti kita tahu, kita nak sentiasa memastikan kita punya data dalam keadaan yang selamat dan juga private. There are also next, there are no standard or regulation worldwide provided data through cloud computing. Europe has data protection law, but the US, being one of the most technological advanced nation, does not have any data protection laws. User juga tak perlu risau about who can disclose their data and have ownership of the data. But once the standards and regulation worldwide, cloud computing will revolutionize the future.
Okay.
Sekian daripada kami. Terima kasih semua.
Thank you.
Thank you.